Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an art supplies haul. I thought it would fit the back to school theme that's going around these days quite well. I myself am not going back to uni till October, but as an artist you are always in need for new supplies. First I got some nice old photographies and some vintage textbooks. I really like working on old printed papers, so that's why I got some music books. And then some micron pens. These are kind of my favorite art supplies, besides pencil. Pencil maybe the first, and then micron pens. I love the fact that there are so many different kind of thickness all that you can choose from. Then I got some small sketchbooks, one with black paper, and for that one I got a white gel pen to work in it. And then the last thing is this bigger sketchbook I got for my birthday. I really love the format of this one. I think it will be nice working in a square. And I really like the paper in this one. It's quite thick and got some nice texture to it, which is amazing for pencil drawings. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join me on my creative journey.